product optimization. Let us take a simple product like iron box or like iron box, okay, or different box, whatever it is. Let us take iron box. How the product means how this can be tested to design, or it can be tested materials, or even the weight. I can reduce the weight. Okay. See, with respect to dimensions, okay. So design is nothing but what? It is related to dimension. Dimension is nothing but what? Specification. Okay, you can see how you can reduce the optimize. How you can, instead of reducing, you can have. I am going to use optimization. Okay, optimization. I'm not going to say you're going to reduce the size. I'm not going to say that way. You're going for the optimization to specification dimensions to design. Okay, so this is one possible. And optimization is with respect to the material optimization. So how to choose the material with respect to the strength point of view? Strength, right? The material should have the strength, and it should be. It should also meet the requirements. Requirement is nothing but what? The specifications. Means related to the criteria, and again this is also optimization. And even weight is also you're going to, you can also optimize the weight, which means less lightweight with more strength. Okay, the durability should also be there. The strength should also be okay, and even the requirement it should not be too high and it should not be too less also. For some application you need to have more weight. For some application you need to have less weight. So these are the things that you can think of. What are the other ways how you can optimize the product? Okay, design optimization, material optimization, weight optimization. Then what can be the other thing? What can be the other optimization possible? Any idea? So design, with respect to design, material, weight, or even if I want to change the supplier, suppose if I'm manufacturing, if I want to change the supplier, am I going to optimize something? It's a resource optimization. Okay, so what I can do is resource optimization, low cost. So when you say supplier, or even the quality, the cost optimization, you can take the cost into consideration. Okay, you can also optimize the cost. Okay, how you can optimize the cost? The function should meet. Okay, it's not that only here is function. Okay, and what is the criteria? It should be affordable cost. Be affordable. That should be the requirement, right? Cost be affordable, and it should also meet the function, and you can finally can optimize it. So in this, apart from this, is there any other thing which you feel? Can think you can tell to me accordingly. You can prepare a presentation accordingly. Okay. Yeah. Any doubt you have? Yeah, any other ideas do you have? So you can also tell. Yeah. I hope everyone would understand, right? Hello. So
So can you tell the contents of the PPT?
yeah, the content wise, what you can do is you can consider the design, material, weight, cost. You can include all these things. Okay, and basically, see, you start with the introduction, introduction of introduction, and then what you can do is to write some of the products, and then you can see the criteria. These are the criteria. Next, you write the criteria. Criteria are options or the methods of methods. These are the four methods. Okay. Then you can explain explanation of explanation you can have for the design optimization. Similarly, you can have the explanation for material optimization, weight optimization, and the cost optimization. Yeah, other things you can have as part of your presentation. Yeah, any other doubt?
So what is explanation of design optimization means? Do we need to take one product and explain, or simply the procedure of how the design optimization is done?
Okay, you can take one product. Okay, you can take some product. Okay, say for example, the iron box. What you can take? You can take the time. How you can optimize it, or even you can take some of the things which are already been optimized. Okay? Maybe you can take some of the reference from your internet. Maybe you can Google it and you can see how they have done previously or those products. Okay, even you can take apart from these seven products also you can take some simple examples. Okay? So you have the table nowadays. You have the table made up of wood. This even you have the steel table. Okay, and even you have the plastic table, and see how they are optimizing it with respect to the design or the dimensions, how they are reducing the cost by changing the material, how they are reducing the weight. Uh, Even you can take a small chair, and so you can use multiple ways to attack the optimization of the product. See, when it comes to process, it is the manufacturing aspects. When it comes to product, it's not only manufacturing. Even you can do the manufacturing options also. Say, for example, you can optimize the cost by changing the manufacturing process. Okay, manufacturing process. So you have various process of manufacturing. It can be through casting or forging or a sheet metal or a plastic or injection molding. Okay, so what process you're going to use? Okay, process, and this process would also meet the specification or the function. When I say specification, it's nothing but the requirement and also function. And finally, we can do the optimization here. Again, even the manufacturing optimization. When you say manufacture optimization, it is nothing but the process optimization. Okay, it comes as a process, but even this can be used here as well. Okay, and say for example, if you are going for a heat treatment and to increase the hardness of any product, how we can best effectively go for a heat treatment, or is how I can optimize the heat treatment. So these are the new innovative things you can look into it with respect to manufacturing aspects. Can the turning can be done in lathe, or so they need to use a CNC machine for that, or can it be done manually with the help of lathe machine? So like this you can think of it, and you have in casting you have various grades. You have aluminum casting, you have forged casting, cast iron. Okay, what is the low cost material to do the casting? Investment casting you have, sand casting you have. So what is the low cost, and how we can, and after casting you also do the misting. How you can reduce, how you can optimize the misting. So those aspects also you can think of it.